My name is Jennifer Doyle, and I'm a co-founder and the Vice President of Customer Success and Support here at InspectPoint. Over the last couple of weeks, we've been hearing from customers about being unable to enter buildings. And then what should they do in this case? I thought that it'd be best to put together a quick little video about how you can use the no access feature to achieve this. So by utilizing this feature, you are acknowledging that there was an inspection scheduled and that you were unable to access the building for whatever reason it might be. So on my screen right now, you will see the iPad. This is how the technicians will record that they were not granted access to the building. You will go to the iPad, find the inspection, and start the inspection just like you would if you were going to be performing the inspection. So you would find the inspection, tap inspect, and instead of answering any of the questions, what you'll do is you go right down to the bottom and click review and complete. And in the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice it says building access status. You'll tap building access status. You'll tap the toggle next to unable to access building. And then you'll place a note in the box immediately above that toggle. So unable to access was turned away when I arrived. Now you can place anything in there that you would like. And then once you're done, you'll go ahead and you'll click Set Building Access. Now a pop-up will appear letting you know that setting no access on the building will change all answers to NA, and the message will appear on the generated inspection report. So if that's what you want, you'll go ahead and you'll click Set No Access. And then you're going to click Finish Inspection and submit the inspection back to the office just like you would for any other inspection. Now in the back end, you're going to notice, just like you would if the inspection was performed, you'll see it in the status of waiting review, but a note will appear above the inspection that says the tech had an issue accessing the building. And then you'll see the note that they placed there. Now what you can do is click Generate Full Report. And the reason why you'd want to use this feature, this no access feature, is it's because as it's stated on the iPad, you are going to be able to generate a report and it's going to set all of your answers to NA. So by setting no access and going through this process, you'll have a record that you were due for an inspection at that time, you arrived on site, and you have a record of the inspection, but everything is set to NA and you have a record of that note that was left. So if the customer calls, you can still keep your frequencies going, right? Because maybe your March inspection you weren't able to perform, but 3 months from now, you're able to get in. And if your customer wants to schedule another inspection, you can schedule a one-time inspection to send the technician back out to the field. But for all intents and purposes, you do have a record of you were out there, you were ready to perform the inspection, and you were turned away. So the report is generated, and now when I come here, I am able to click download on that report. And when the report generates, I will see everything set to NA and the message for building access. If you have any questions about this feature, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.